Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door coupe may be based on the third-generation CLS-Class, but it is also one of 60 bespoke AMG models and a nonconformist piece of kit altogether. For the first time, we transferred the AMG design DNA to a 4-door model, says Mercedes-AMG chief designer Volker Hellwig, proudly pointing at an early concept. Characteristic elements include multi-beam headlamps, a sharp-nosed front end, a so-called jet-wing front apron, slimline LED taillights and low-drag wheels. Completely new is the tapered greenhouse, which sports a sleek and low roofline and large rear doors for easy entry and exit. 3 variants of the 4-door AMG GT will be offered at launch, all equipped with the 9-speed speed-shift multi-clutch automatic, starting with the 6-cylinder GT53. It is powered by Mercedes' new 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, rated at 429 horsepower and 384 pounds-to-foot of torque, not counting the 21 horsepower and 184 pounds-to-foot of torque added on demand by the EcoBoost 48-volt hybrid assist system. AMG claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.4 seconds and a 174 miles per hour top speed. Next is the GT63, which receives a version of AMG's 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 making 577 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-foot of torque. It can hit 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds before topping out at 193 miles per hour. In case that's not enough, there's the GT63S, which receives another 73 horsepower and 74 pounds of torque. The combination of 630 horsepower and 627 pounds-to-foot of torque shaves 0.2 seconds off the 0-60 time and slightly ups the top speed to 195 miles per hour. It's a hefty beast, though, weighing in at around 4,500 pounds. Should the market want it or legislation command it, Mercedes can relatively quickly pull a 3.0-liter plug-in hybrid model out of the bag. This configuration combines the 429 horsepower inline-six with the aforementioned 48-volt hybrid system and an electric power module which adds 201 horsepower to the tally. In total, that's over 600 horsepower and over 660 pounds-to-foot of torque, not to mention a highly useful electric-only range of 60 miles. On-demand AWD with 4-wheel-to-work vectoring is part of the package for all, as are variable rate power steering, a limited slip differential, and for the 63 and 63S only, the increasingly popular rear wheel steering and available carbon ceramic brakes. The AMG GT 63 and 63S also employ an adjustable triple-chamber air suspension, while the GT 53 makes do with steel springs mated to electronically controlled dampers. The GT can be any car you like, a butch prowler painted matte black with matching night pack and dark rims, or a super sleek boulevard cruiser with chrome accents and the body sprayed in a friendly color, says Hellwig. The GT has its own wide-track front suspension as well as restyled front wings, sills and wheels, not to mention our trademark Panamericana grille. Beyond the grille, the AMG GT 4-door coupe also fields an adjustable air panel in the low-flying front bumper, a multi-stage pop-up rear spoiler and a prominent rear diffuser, as well as fully functional air curtains for the front wheels. The $20,219 AMG GT 4-door coupe will be more expensive than the 2019 CLS-Class, which in turn will cost about $10,000 more than the E-Class, so figure around $100,000 for the AMG GT 53, $125,000 for the AMG GT 63S, and somewhere in the middle for the GT 63. The V8 variants arrive in the US in early 2019, GT63, GT63S, mid-2019 for the AMG GT53.